OTOFIX D1 series is a game changer, offering advanced vehicle diagnostics in an easy-to-use, lightweight, low-profile Android-based touchscreen tablet. Its portability is enhanced with a wireless vehicle communication interface and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that provides 6 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Today, let's review the OTOFIX D1 and D1 Lite so you can decide which tablet is best for you. Both are all-system diagnostic tools, enabling technicians to read and clear codes and view and graph freeze frame and live data. Both offer an ever-expanding menu of service tasks, including oil light, electronic parking brake, occupancy seat, steering angle sensor, and airbag reset, just to name the most popular. Both offer MaxiFix cloud solutions. Here you can get remote consulting whenever you encounter a problem. You will connect with an expert who can help you with specific problems you have. Experts own the specific software that each car runs on. For example, a Honda expert will have access to the Honda software that powers all Honda vehicles. The remote consulting function gives shop owners the freedom to fix any problem without ever having to leave their garage. Other features in the cloud include multi-device management, report management for you to look up and share reports, and repair info like DTC, TSB, recalls, general parts, and maintenance. The difference between the D1 and D1 Lite lies in their diagnostic prowess. Only the D1 can perform bidirectional controls, active and functional tests. Meaning, with the D1 in hand, the technician can command and test every computer-controlled vehicle component and relay, including those of the fuel, HVAC, and braking systems. And only the D1 can perform advanced module servicing, such as coding and adaptations. I'm Mike, and I hope you're as excited about the new OTOFIX line as I am. If you have any other questions about the D1 or D1 Lite, check out our other videos that go deeper into the features and functions of each tablet. Thank you for watching.